Here I am going to show you how to remove this screen lock pattern without any software or without any computer. You no need to do factory reset because it's a loss of data. So first of all, keep on trying any kind of pattern and wait for a few seconds. Now it says this, try again in 30 seconds. Now we have this option called as backup pin. For most of the phone, the owner will keep their backup pin either 1234 or 12345 because it is easy to remember and hard to forget. So let us try with this option called backup pin. Click on backup pin. Here type 1234 and press OK. It's not working. Let's try 1 2 3 4 5. Press OK. Now you will find this option. If you want to change the pattern, click on pattern, and here you can change the pattern. Now this is called backup pin. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Done. Now it's easy to remember this backup pin if you have forgotten your pattern or thanks for watching. And if you like my video, please subscribe for more channels.